Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to get free hosting from InfinityFree. This is infinityfree.com. First, click on this register button. Fill in your email address here and your password. Repeat your password here. Agree on the terms and the services and click on sign up. Now visit your email address inbox and verify your email address just like that. As you can see, for active accounts, I have 0 on 3. Click on create account. There are 4 hosting plans to choose from. Let's go with this free hosting plan. Click on create now. Select your domain extension from here. There are, I think, around 9 domain extensions you can select. I will go with infinityfreeapp.com. I will, for my subdomain, I will select Ben's Experience. I will check availability. This is your short description. The account name is generated automatically. Your password is, I think it's the same. Email consent. I approve. Click on create account. As you can see, my account has been created with this username. Here are some things you need to know. First, it will take a few minutes for your account to be set up, but you can log into the control panel already. It can take up to 72 hours for the new domain to be visible everywhere due to DNS caching. Please log into the control panel once to enable all features. Not sure what to do next? Please see this guide. Let's open it for some ideas on how to get started. I think this is just articles. Now I will click on finish. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Infinity Free online course today for free. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Infinity Free, how to manage your website inside this free hosting, also how to manage your domain and SSL certificate, file management and FTP, how to manage your WordPress website in Infinity Free, and also advanced configurations like these ones. To get all of this for free today, plus these courses, and also the upcoming free courses on my university, all you need to do is to visit university-bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. I'm looking for my email for my website. This is it. Let's try to visit it. I think my free hosting with Infinity Free is ready. Now to set up my first website on Infinity Free, I'm looking for the control panel, or just go back to your Infinity Free account, click on this Spectaculous installer to install your WordPress website. Below WordPress, click on this install blue button. I recommend you to go with HTTPS always. Select your domain name from this list. The latest WordPress version is recommended. Give your website a name. For example, I will keep it my WordPress blog for the site description. For the username, I will go with Ben. And for the password, I will select a strong password. Here, fill in your email address. You can select your website language from this list. And below advanced options, you can rename your database for easy management. For example, Ben's Experience. This way I know which database is linked to my website. You can also select your WordPress theme now, but I will keep it for later. Click on this install button and wait a second. Now my WordPress was installed successfully on InfinityFree. Let's check it live. I think I have an error with my SSL certificate. I will try to remove the S. And now I can access my new WordPress website on InfinityFree hosting. Just few hours later, my website will be accessible with the HTTPS when my SSL certificate is installed successfully. And this is how to get free hosting from InfinityFree. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.